Get to know the touchscreen controls. The Model Y is operated mostly through a large central touchscreen. Use autopilot safely. Autopilot is Tesla's advanced driver assistance system, but it's not a self-driving system. Optimize charging. Plan your charging to take advantage of off-peak electricity rates and to reduce the wear and tear on your battery. Use the mobile app. Tesla's mobile app allows you to control your Model Y remotely, check charging progress, and more. Know your range. The Model Y has a range of up to 326 miles, but this will vary depending on driving conditions, climate, and battery charge. Personalize your settings. The Model Y allows you to personalize the seats, steering wheel, mirrors, and other settings to your preference. Plan your route. The Model Y's navigation system can help you find the most efficient route to your destination and alert you to any potential issues on the road. Take advantage of the frunk. The Model Y has a front trunk, or frunk, that can be used for additional storage. Use the center console. The Model Y has a spacious center console that can be used for additional storage. Utilize the rear trunk. The Model Y has a rear trunk that provides additional storage space.